So I just threw some slime in. That's our results. So go down. Somebody get it back! Can you hold the iPad quick?
Yeah, sure.
Slime down.
I don't know why I done this.
Coming up.
What?
Come on. Come off, slime. Come on. Come on. You know you want to come off.
I'm still filming.
Yeah, I know. Mommy. Oh. My feet hurt. Can you help me? Mommy.
You got it all over you, mate.
I did?
Yes.
So should I just pause the video?
On your back to your shirt.
So I'm just gonna press the button.
No, don't!
Okay.
Why do you always do that? You always do that and I don't. Oh, look at all the slime that's up there.
You're going to have to work out how to pause the video so you can record some and then keep recording after. Or like merge videos together.
You can't do that.
You
I don't
can.
think. How?
I don't know, but you can do it.
How do you?
You can just do part 1, part 2.
Yeah.
Okay, should I press the button?
No, don't. Well, look up there. See the slime that was left up there? Now it's gonna go in your faces. Ah!